Hi everyone, thank you for helping out administering this pretty simple test. I'm going to give you a little video tutorial and send it your way, and if you have any questions you can see me before that day comes. Again, thank you so much. On the day of the test, you'll need to come in the gym and get this green basket that holds pencils. And it will also hold each student that is doing the test with you a note card. It'll have their first and last name on the front. And then on the back, it's going to have their beginning of the year score, their goal, and it will not have the end of your score until you are finished. That is what you are helping me out with. So we are recording the end of the year score today. They will know what to do with that, and they will return it before they come back in. Here's how you administer the test. We're going out door 2 that are known as the walker door. And you're going to come down to the bottom of the steps to the black top. And all of the students will start at the same spot, right about here. On your signal, you're going to start them and they're going to run or walk or jog, preferably a combo of jogging and walking and running. This direction towards MLK Park, the actual playground and the pool area, if you're familiar. They will try to cut this way. No, thank you. What they are going to do is run around the newly paved walkway that curves towards Broadway, is that street. But now we're on Broadway. Now, I know you're thinking, oh my gosh, they have to run down the sidewalk where the street is. They actually do a really decent job of this, and they hug the grass. That's what I tell them to do, hug the grass. After they come down Broadway, they're going to make their first right. They do not have to run to the corner, but they're going to make their first right. And if you know where I'm at right now, I'm running towards the Peace Monument. And once they get to that point of where the monument starts, they're going to turn right. So they don't have to go up the block and through it. They're just coming up to it and then immediately turning that corner right there to the right. And then back, we're heading back towards the building now. They come down that pathway. And now they're back to you where they started from. And they will do that 4 times. Once they've completed their 4, they will record their end of year score, place the note card back in the green basket, and they can return to the gym. Once all students have completed their test and recorded their score, they can come back to the gym and you are finished. Please bring back the green basket with all the materials in it, and you are finished. Again, I can't thank you enough. If you have any questions, please reach out.